Hi, my name is David McCulley and I'm the owner of Torcatha BBQ Sauce. It's a gourmet sauce that's made in Texas for Texans, and it's been in my family for over 40 years. So Torcatha was born here in Texas when my dad created the recipe for family and friends. I took it over about 10 years ago when I joined the San Antonio Fire Department. If you know firefighters, cooking is very important. Also, if you know firefighters, if it's really good, they'll tell you it's not good and then eat all of it. With Torcatha, they were eating all of it and were telling me it was so good that I could bottle it. So it led me to believe there might be something to this. A lot of people ask me what Torcatha means. It's actually two Scots Gaelic words that I combined together that mean Battle Boar in Scottish. My last name, McCulley, literally translates to son of the boar, which is an ode to my family heritage, my dad who made the sauce. In Texas, we're all proud to be Texans, but we're also very proud of our heritage and where we come from, whether that's Mexico, Germany, or for me, Scotland. Torcatha embodies the fiery essence that defines the sauce. The robust flavor profile starts with a subtle sweetness and ends with a nice fiery kick. Torcatha barbecue sauce is the best gourmet barbecue sauce here in Texas. I use it on my pork loin, on brisket, even on beer can chicken. However, the versatility of it makes it more than just a barbecue sauce. I've been told it goes well on eggs, even dipping your chips in like salsa. Behind every bottle of Torcatha barbecue sauce is our commitment to excellence. This starts with the 40-year-old recipe all the way to being handcrafted in Utopia, Texas. This commitment to excellence is evident in every savory drop and reinforces Torcatha's reputation as the gourmet barbecue sauce worthy of the Texas name. Torcatha barbecue sauce represents the very best in Texas, whether that's the tradition of Texas barbecue, our 40-year-old recipe, or the robust flavor profile that ends with a fiery kick each time. I'm proud of Torcatha barbecue sauce and can't wait for all my fellow Texans to try it.